Bro, we are in animal control. This isn't our job.
His barks don't sound the same anymore, and he just acts really aggressive towards me.
We're gonna set up some cameras in this place. Just try to see what he's doing at night.
Okay.
Smash 100,000 likes to show how strong we are. So for this episode, we received an email from a 19-year-old girl named Anna. Anna says that her dog ran away into the woods, and when he crawled back into the house, something was wrong with him. She says that she hears cracking noises when he walks, and that his skin looks like it doesn't fit his body. She also says that her dog gets very angry if she tries to turn on the lights. She sent us this video for proof. So today we're gonna drive out to Anna's house to try to find out what's going on with her dog. Let's go. So how are you feeling about this case?
Dude, I just don't know what her dog acting weirdly has to do with us.
Well, she sounded really worried in the email she sent us, so let's just go check this out.
Bro, we are in animal control. This isn't our job.
Well, if she wants our help, let's just go try to give it to her, okay?
Whatever.
What's going on? Here she is. Hi, Anna. Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm Parker. Hi, can we come in?
Just need to be quiet. I don't want you to wake up.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Anna, thank you for letting us sit down with you.
Okay.
So you were a little vague in the email you sent us. Can you tell us more about what your dog's been doing?
2 nights ago, he saw something in the woods. He started darting after it, and I couldn't stop him. And I called his name, and I looked in the woods, but I couldn't even find him.
What?
I was worried that he ran away, but then I heard my front door open. But he didn't greet me. He just crawled up the stairs, and he just went to a room.
Why do you think he's acting like this?
I don't know. His barks don't sound the same anymore, and he just acts really aggressive towards me. I caught him sitting in the corner of my room the other night, just watching me.
I'm sorry, what does this have to do with us? This is kind of like the job for an animal expert.
I just didn't know what else to do.
Do you think that something in the woods might have scared or hurt him?
I don't know. There's also something wrong with his body, like his bones have been sticking out of his skin.
Listen, Anna, I understand you're scared right now, but I think you really need to show us this dog.
I'll take you to him.
Okay, let's go. He's in here?
Yeah.
Can I turn his lights on?
No, don't turn them on. I think they hurt his eyes. He almost bit me last time.
Okay, we'll go. Thanks. There it is. What?
What's wrong with it?
Bro, there's something wrong with that thing.
Do you think that something's wrong with him?
Yeah. Listen, if you just want to go to sleep, we're gonna set up some cameras in this place. Just try to see what he's doing at night that's making all those noises.
Okay.
We're gonna make sure nothing goes wrong, okay?
Okay.
Alright, okay, let's get to work. If you just want to go to sleep.
Bro, what was back there?
Dude, there's something wrong with that thing.
What? What are you talking about? Are you sure this isn't for animal control?
I don't know, let's just set up the cameras.
Okay.
Alright, let's just put this camera here. That's good, come on. Camera here. Okay. Let's put a camera in the dog's room. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we just got back to the car to watch these cameras. We have one in Anna's room, the hallway, and the dog's room.
Dude, you saw that dog. What's wrong with it? Is it sick or something?
Bro, it just did not look normal to me.
I just don't think we should be dealing with a sick dog like this.
Dude, let's just watch the cameras for a little bit and see what this dog's doing at night, okay?
All right. Dude, wait, go back to the dog's room. I think he's waking up.
Okay. Okay, well, he's coming out from behind the cabinet.
Dude, why does he move so strangely?
Let's just see what he does.
Dude, what kind of noise is that?
I don't know, why does it sound so sick?
Dude, I'm really freaking out right now. Is Anna waking up?
Let me see. Okay, so it looks like she's still asleep. Let's just keep watching this thing to see if he does anything else, okay?
Okay. Dude, where the hell is this dog going?
Is he going to Anna's room?
Why is he walking like that?
Bro, I think we need to go inside.
Not yet. He's just looking at her. I want to see what he does. Oh, is he licking her hand?
Why is his tongue so long?
Dude, he's standing up! It's not a dog! It's not a dog! Hurry! Bro, hurry!
Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's he?
Yo, dude, I heard something!
What? Yo, check the back door, bro.
Yo, what's that stuff on the ground?
Yo, what is this stuff?
Is this part of the dog?
Yo, let's go tell Anna. Let's go. Let's go. Anna. Yo, that was not your dog. We need to go now, okay? Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Let's try to smash 100,000 likes for the next episode to be released.